फराह मैम का भेजा,
ये फारा का भेजा.
थैंक यू फॉर द भेजा मैम.
Never had Malpua in my life. This is
We have a Malpua version.
Listen, in Dubai they are more of baklava and kunapa. It's good.
बेसिकली इन बीबी हाउस हमारे पास में ज़्यादा राशन वाशन तो होता नहीं था, लेकिन प्रोटीन होता था. प्रोटीन से मैंने इन लोगों को बहुत केक खिलाया है बना के.
And sometimes he would put pomegranates also, and he would make cakes, birthday cakes. एक बार सारा ने चिकन बनाया था and she added capsicum, so he was mad.
क्या खा रहे हो आप लोग, पहले ये बताइए.
So first of all, here we are today at Shabbir's Tawakkal Sweets.
And my brother, after 12 years, man, I'm meeting him after 12 years. I'm so happy.
And you know, this is one very delicious looking thing which is in front of me.
Which is फारा का भेजा. हम फारा का भेजा खा रहे हैं.
Farah ma'am, I was actually at Farah ma'am's home the other day.
She is the Jan. She is the foodie. Now your comment to the both of us also now.
Yeah ma'am. Thank you for the भेजा.
कैसा है उनका भेजा?
Very tasty. Seriously.
Your भेजा
Very
is
good.
very tasty, ma'am.
Yes ma'am. Please come have some with us.
कैसे रमजान कोई
Ramzan going on good. Yeah, alhamdulillah.
आपके आज कितने हो गए रोजे?
मेरे today is what रोजा?
मेरे 28, आपके 26 हुए होंगे.
हाँ. नहीं but हाँ yeah.
You're 26.
26.
आज हमारा 28 हो गया. 2 बचे, 2 हमारे. 2. आपके 4.
4.
When is Eid going to be mostly 30th or 31st or 1st? First, ना? चलो गुड.
How was the experience, Vivian? You remember कि पहला वाला कैसा था?
क्या रमजान?
रमजान.
Honestly speaking, पहला वाला रमजान बहुत difficult था.
I can't imagine.
Yeah, and plus I'm somebody who likes to drink a lot of water and coffee. तो बहुत मुश्किल हुई थी, पर पहले 10-11 दिन तो बैंड बज गई थी.
I can't imagine. But you started straight doing all 30?
Yeah, all 30.
Wow, that's amazing. Commendable. तो हम लोग 12-13 के थे तब से प्रैक्टिस चालू है ना.
तो यूजुअली लोग मुझसे पूछते भी हैं कि आप सारे रखते हो. मैंने कहा सारे नहीं रखने का भी ऑप्शन है. 30 are mandate.
Exactly. No, and you feel very guilty if you don't do it. Then you feel bad.
And actually, even God forbid, if any day you are unwell or sick or on medication, so but naturally इंसान को भूख नहीं लगती.
That's it.
The whole day goes like that.
No, fasting actually cures a lot of illness.
Yeah, it does.
There is rice also, ये भी try करें.
This is
ये बोरा बिरयानी है.
बोहरा बिरयानी and Farah ma'am का
ये
भेजा.
फारा का भेजा.
Thank you for the भेजा ma'am.
Have some. आप आ जाओ, अपना ही भेजा खाने आ जाओ. She's had. This is one of her favorite. Yeah. That's why, it's because of it is dedicated to.
Very delicious.
Thank you.
Tell me one thing कि क्या कुछ खास या अलग आप लोगों को ट्राई करने मिलता है इस पूरे महीने में?
I think जो खाने का लेवल होता है वो थोड़ा ज़्यादा बढ़ जाता है और अच्छी चीज़ें ज़्यादा खाना शुरू करते हैं. स्पेशली स्वीट्स थोड़ी ज़्यादा कंज्यूम होने लग जाती हैं. तो आई थिंक स्वीट्स इज़ द मेन वीकनेस फॉर एवरीबॉडी.
और मीठे आप बना क्या लेते हो, पहले तो ये बताइए.
मैं तो खाना ऑलमोस्ट लगभग सारे ही बना लेता हूँ.
You cook?
Yeah, I cook a lot.
Wow. I can cook, but I don't cook. मेरी बड़ी रंजी है. I was president scout. तो मैं तो कुक्स बैच किया. मैं 200 लोगों के लिए भी बनाता था खाना.
Wow.
But I don't like it. I don't enjoy cooking. I like feeding.
हाँ, catering.
Yeah. I love people, I love feeding them. Like अगर भाई खाएगा मेरे को खुशी होगी. मैं खाऊँ या ना खाऊँ doesn't matter. I don't like.
वो आज देख लिया मैंने.
अच्छा आपने क्या बनाया है आपका और भाभी को क्या खिलाया है जो उन्हें बहुत पसंद आया है?
उनको बहुत कुछ बना के खिलाया है. मैंने उनको चिकन बना के खिलाया है, मैंने उनको मटन बना के खिलाया है, मैंने उनको दाल बना के खिलाई है. एक मेरी बाबा स्पेशल दाल है घर में, जिस दाल का नाम ही बाबा स्पेशल है.
How cool.
तो वो दाल उन्हें बहुत पसंद है. और उनको मेरे हाथ की चाय बहुत पसंद है. वो चाय पीती है और उन्हें चाय बहुत पसंद है, हमारी इंडियन टी.
और कोई ऐसी डिश जो जब भी वो उंगली चाट गए?
यार लगभग सारी ऐसी बनाई हैं जो उनको पसंद आई हैं. तो अब तो डिस्क्रिमिनेशन करना बंद कर.
I think जब मर्द पकाता है ना, so I think they because we don't cook very often.
Yeah.
तो पूरा जी जान लगा के पकाते हैं ना हम. तो
हाँ.
जैसे मैं सिर्फ फ्राइड अंडे बनाता हूँ अपनी वाइफ के लिए. So they always turn out to be fine. You know, if you are doing it every day, it's a problem. That's
Yeah.
when you mess up, I feel.
What is the best part of कई बार ऐसा हो जाता है कि आप उन रिश्तों से भी मिलते हो, उन दोस्तों से भी मिलते हो, जैसे आप 12 साल बाद मिल रहे हो.
जी,
तो क्या ये भी एक बेस्ट पार्ट होता है रमजान?
आई थिंक ये तो एक बेस्ट पार्ट होता ही है कि रमज़ान एसेंशियली एक तरह का एक्सक्यूज़ है कि भैया यू गो आउट, यू गेट टू मीट फ्रेंड्स, यू सी ऑल फ्रेंड्स. सो आई थिंक ये तो गिवन है भाई.
It is a social time. It's a social time. Yeah. जैसे दिवाली है. I think Diwali and Ramadan are very closely associated.
Yeah, very closely. So
In India, I mean in India.
Yeah. So here we are. बोरा बिरयानी.
बोरा बिरयानी में brother. और ये उसके साथ ये कचुम्बर भी
Oh,
जाता
wow.
है साथ में. It's a raita kachumbar
Alright.
to give it some viscosity.
आपको लगता है उन्हें लाना चाहिए था यहाँ पे?
कोर्स उन्हें लाना चाहिए था. इनफैक्ट हम 5 मिनट पहले ही बात कर रहे थे. मैं बोल रहा था नेक्स्ट टाइम जब मैं आऊँगा और वो यहाँ रहेंगी तो उन्हें लेके आऊँगा.
Full family. Two families.
Yeah.
और जो मैं मिला नहीं हूँ अभी तक तो.
हाँ, तो भी मिला नहीं है अभी तक, तो इसको भी मिलना है. मिलवा दूँ.
भाई टीवी पर देखा होगा ना?
TV. I've seen, no, so that's what I'm saying. So I'm very disconnected to television totally, including जब मैं TV करता था. In life, I just don't watch content. भी अभी तो भाई OTT का हो गया है. और since I also direct and produce, तो मुझे दूसरा बाहर का content देखना पड़ता है. That's why I told भाई कि मैं बोला, it's unbelievable. And I met him also. I said he looks the same as he did those 10-12 years ago. I said, how have you not aged? And now since today when I found out, I was seeing what all he's done. So we were just catching up on all that.
भाई यार तो बिरयानी तो
वो 6 घंटे पका के इसका सब श्रेय जाए मेरे अब्बा को और हमारे फूड पार्टनर के भी अब्बा है. माय डैड एंड ही वर बेस्ट फ्रेंड. दिस लव फॉर ऑल, दिस ऑल फॉर आवर फादर्स. या
Oh bro, this is something crazy, bro.
ये रबड़ी है. This accentuates the sweetness. So the malpua is not very sweet.
Yeah.
None of the sweets we do are sweet. So this accentuates the sweetness.
I've actually seen videos of your restaurant where they're dipping this in this, right?
Yeah. And then, but this also you dip in, but this is malai. This cuts the sweetness of the malpua.
Okay.
So you should try. So the malpua itself is a flavor. It's a different flavor with the malai. It's a different flavor with the rabdi. So you should try it.
Also, Malpua is one of the most famous desserts from my state,
He was
Madhya
saying-
Pradesh.
मध्य प्रदेश और बिहार में भी भाई
Yeah, yeah.
मालवा कम पर आप हमारा खा के
Even Rajasthan.
बट नॉट एज गुड एज
MP.
MP and बिहार बोथ. आप बिहार का खाया आपने?
Yeah.
बट इट्स डिफरेंट. लाइक यू से दिस इज डिफरेंट.
Yeah.
दिस
I've had like house helps and cooks at home.
जो बनाते
from
हैं?
Bihar, हाँ. They cook good Bihari food.
I've never had malpua in my life. I've never had malpua in my life. This is
we have a malpua virgin.
Listen, in Dubai we are more of baklava and kunafa. There's no malpua.
So come try one, na, have one. Because it's not a you can have it as a first time thing also, like a. And then if you want to exchange, if you want to cut the, you try it as it is first. Tell us what you think.
It's good. It's
चाहिए.
not heavy, it's good, and it's not too sweet. I have this thing
It's
where I
not
don't
sweet.
like sweet things.
It's not
but this
sweet.
is so good
So we
and fluffy.
none of the sweets that we do are very sweet, and in fact now we've started to use monk fruit and everything. So we are substituting sugar and everything, and now there's no sugar.
I also get the craze, by the way. Like everybody is like crazy about this, always talking about it.
Thank you. Means a lot. But फिर भी ये फ्लेवर के साथ ट्राई जरूर करना.
वो ये मैंने पूरा बनाया हुआ अपने इसलिए प्लेट मंगवाई
Please, please, please. sir.
Make a cuisine out of it as well.
बेसिकली इन बीबी हाउस हमारे पास में ज़्यादा राशन तो होता नहीं था, लेकिन प्रोटीन होता था. प्रोटीन से मैंने इन लोगों को बहुत केक खिलाए हैं बना के. आई में
Best cakes out of protein.
Like protein
He
powder.
would put protein.
Powder.
He would put muscle gainer, I think. And sometimes he would put pomegranates also. And he would make cakes, birthday cakes.
ऑल ऑफ दैट. और बहुत बर्थडे केक बनाया और मैं ही बनाता था.
What a good husband to have, and what a good brother to have also.
He once made chicken also. And it was so good. एक बार सारा ने चिकन बनाया था and she added capsicum, so he was mad. He's like, ऐसे कौन डालता है?
So Sarah Arfin was also in the same.
Yeah, same season with us.
Oh, she was here a couple of 2-3 nights ago. But she was telling me
Really
she
good,
was
by the
also
way. Yeah, she was cooking.
अभी ऐसा. Because Naira सिर्फ खाती थी मुझे बोला. Naira Banerjee.
Naira. I was
Naira
not in
Khadi.
the season when Naira was there. I came later. After
These guys are
elimination.
wild card, no?
Yeah.
Okay.
I came much later.
But no, but Naira used to work in the house.
She worked, huh?
No.
But she
She
like
told me she used to cook also. She used to cook. No, someone told me.
she told
Naira
me.
also has some, she used to do all the cleaning and all. Also, she has OCD.
She
And
has
for some reason, we had so many spare cups in the house. So if any of us would lose our cups, we would use. Of course, not him because he has OCD. Any of us would lose our cups, we would use Naira's cups because there were so many cups named Naira in the house
Why?
in different fonts. So we would write nail paint से write our name over cups. And for some reason, Naira के 5-6 cups थे ऐसे. I don't know. हमारे तो मुश्किल से एक थे, but
6 कप्स रखे थे. Naira के 6 कप्स. Okay, did you try?
really good. I tried it.
Try
it's
with the
too good,
malai. Try with the malai.
वो एक खाने का कुछ मतलब थोड़ा ज़्यादा. You've been there. You were just telling me about it.
I love. So for me, you're from Bhopal.
I'm from Ujjain.
Oh, you're from Ujjain.
Yeah, I'm born in Ratlam. Grew up in Ujjain. Went to school.
So many Bhora people, so many of people. My community is full. Like you got a bacha baba.
Growth 30% of boys in my class.
वो Bhora?
वो Bora. All my friends are Bora only.
How lovely. You know the beauty. There's Bacha Baba and Mahakal.
Yeah.
There's so much power in that place. Oh, I didn't know. So I'm going to go to Ujjain with him next time.
Yeah. And I have a lot of Bora friends too.
How lovely, bro. You take me there, bro.
So ये था हमारा बहुत ही लजीज डिनर at 26 Tawakkal. Thank you so much for having me here.
Bro, you're my brother anytime. This place is your place.
And the malpua.
Thank you, man.
घर लेके जा रहा हूँ मैं.
You're taking some home for
Yeah,
full
yeah.
family, and next
Yeah,
time he's
yeah.
coming also with family.
Absolutely, and this is the place to be in Ramadan.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you, man. I love you all.
Thank you guys.
In case इसके बाद नहीं मिले तो ईद मुबारक in advance.
Ramadan Mubarak and Eid Mubarak in advance.